everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to force restart MacBook Pro. If you are in a situation that your MacBook Pro is completely frozen and unresponsive, then you can easily force restart the device. If you are ever stuck in this situation, then you can simply go ahead and you will need to press on the Control, Command and the power keys at the same time. Once you press on that, you will need to press on these three buttons until the screen goes blank. After a few seconds, release the button and wait for your MacBook Pro to restart automatically. Force restarting will abruptly shut down all the running application without saving any unsaved work. So make sure you've saved your work before proceeding. So that is how you can easily force restart your MacBook Pro if you are ever stuck in a situation where your keyboards and your MacBook Pro screen is frozen and there is no way you can get out of it. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.